Because I want to show you something. There are some insects. So when we were children, we used to dig this hole. Then we'll find the insects and just be playing with them. Charlie, did you do this before when you were small? Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maggie from Uganda, and in today's video I bring you to the bush. I'm going to the site. I'm already at the site actually, yeah, and I want to show you what we are going to be doing today. It's really bushy. We have a house here, but we can't even stay here because many people haven't constructed, and you know the bush here grows very tall, you see, so that's why I'm going to show you what we are going to be doing today. My husband is over there. I'm taking a video. My husband is over there. He's trying to open the door, but you see where see our neighbor's house. It's also in the bush. See how it is. Another person is over here, and then over there is also another person. I think this person is already staying in his house or her house, yeah, but this place is very bushy. It's not that safe for you to stay here, yeah, but nevertheless within maybe a short period of time people will come and construct, and then we can start staying here. So now I'm going. Charlie, I even don't know where to pass, so I put my feet. Oh yeah, seven.
Come here. Go a little bit this side. You need to find some plastic.
The house is very cool though. The house is very cool. Hey.
Who are you calling? Who are you?
Maybe. The sun, yeah. But Charlie, the house is very cool, like as in the temperature. The temperature. Like the temperature is cool. The temperature is cool. There is no heat.
YouTube.
As you see this one, I'm going to use this one to make ampesi and contour for my husband. This is called Unsuccessful. This is how it looks like. So I'm going to go down here and then do some.
Aye. Mercy. Tell me, they know, on him because I am a pay. One or may mammy. Hannah Menina Casano, no copper carpenter, maybe. Only was a carpenter from a bone about who crumble be proud. So it seems a war bruise, and Mrs. Obetti. Say a day. And yes, I'm good. What if she see your I didn't tell you to plug it by yourself. I wanted to do it. You said no, you do it on your own. So go and do it. Stop complaining. Stop complaining. Go and do it. Hey, is it a blazer or a beton with you? Stop. Why are you making like this? Just walk in direct and go. When now we're not to put a call for me. I think me fan go for more blind me baby. A fool when I'm the knock on what could try to beat. All the mam's on my minko. Or so my minko. If you feel for instance,
This one,
a champon. This one's called a champon. If you have a cut on your body, yeah, medicine, yeah. If you have any cut when blood is coming, you just squeeze the water in it and then put it. It will stop. It's called it.
Delay decaying.
Yeah. In the olden days, when someone dies, this is what they put on the person.
Ah.
Yeah.
For the person not to smell.
Yeah, the person will not decay.
One of the ulcer medicine.
You have ulcer also. Yes. This one.
A lot of things. That's a lot of things.
This one is called the champon.
And it's a great medicine.
Yes. So.
Then I will not cut it.
No, don't cut it. Even if you cut it, it will come back again.
You have a lot here, so
Yeah.
Come back again.
Make sure you remove all the cones out. Don't leave even one piece on it, else you will not go home today. It's a black man for so long, and you know, plug all of them from the tree. Don't leave anything. Then my grandma what to say? Go school na.
University.
Ah.
My daughter know your majua.
University.
You better say the major, into the ajwa.
Okay. My daughter is also cool.
Ekwawa. Try.
He's now a painter. Yeah. Plumber don't become painter now. Hey. Hey, Charlie, see consuelo. This is called.
My
and it's very big. Yeah. We'll take it at home.
Boy.
She has done well. Because nowadays, women, they are not truthful. So we have to give the woman the credit. She has been a truthful wife.
Yes. Margaret, don't even go. Come up here. I will take the rest. No problem. You come. You've done your part.
I think we have to stop.
What happened? Beats?
You see these things?
These beats.
They are very dangerous.
You will go once again. You will go.
If they break it, can't we use it? Let me see.
I think this is sink. There's sink. Yes, I think this is it. And I think so. We will not put any gate here. You
can put the sliding one. And a small curtain.
It takes space also.
Over there is our neighbor. They're staying here, and last time when we came here, this person here was not there. You can see that door that is open. Yeah, someone is staying in that house. When we were coming here, we passed in the bush, guys. I was even scared. I didn't even know how do they call it? Like how to film and how to hold the camera to film. But we are here. Maybe when I'm going back, then I'll film there. Because I want to show you something. You see this hole here? This one here? You see this? I don't know if you see this one. You see all this? There are some insects. So when we were children, we used to dig this hole. Then we'll find the insects and just be playing with them. Charlie, did you do this before when you were small? Yes. But I haven't found any in this one. Let me check in this. Aha, you see? You see, if you look closely, you see it's going. I couldn't find it too. I think I've even forgotten how it looks like. I've forgotten how it looks like, but we used to dig their holes like this and then we find that. Yes. It has rusted completely. I didn't find any. Actually, look this side though. See here. I think the water is going into the wall.
No, this is just when they're doing messing work. This messing work.
Okay.
See, this is messing work. No problem.
Okay. I see that. You see they are all over. Tell me guys, have you ever seen something like that? See, this one is very big. I don't know how they even call these animals. Let me try and dig one and see if I'll find one. Okay, Charlie. I didn't see the animals. They're not animals, but like insects. I haven't found any of them. Let me try this. Ooh, it has been covered. Let me try this also. So guys, we are finally done. We were actually not even able to do the job because the grass had grown so tall and we needed to cut the grass down before we can spray, and looking at the time it has already gone, so we can't do the job. Maybe some other time. Yeah, but you see, we are passing in the bush. I'm even already tired. We are passing in the bush. Yeah, so let me know guys if you enjoyed this vlog, and if you enjoyed this vlog, please let me know in the comment section. If it's your first time clicking to watch my videos, please hit the subscription button and you'll get notified every time I upload. The sun is so much hot in Ghana here in this season. Yeah, thank you so much for always sticking by to watch my videos. Yes, so Charlie, we can't. I will not enter now. I wait for you to open, then I'll enter. Hey, my brepa. I'm so tired. So tired. Let me put this inside. Let me put this inside. And then let me see. In the corner, in the corner. Okay. Hey, this your dress is nice, so why are you removing it? This one is nice, but Charlie, the heat in the car is too much, Charlie. You see, as you open the door, you feel it, right? Oh, and yes, so I'm done with the video at the side. We were not able to do what we went to do, like I told you. I'm now changing into another cloth. See, I'm wearing this dress. I was wearing leggings before, so I'm now wearing this dress. We are going to do some other errands. I have to come out these my shoes and put on something else. So this is the area and this is the road. You see, most of the buildings are still under construction. You see that? You see on this other side, but some people are staying there in some of the buildings. This is a church over here, and some of the houses that are completed. You can see behind here, and this is the road. But to our side, we couldn't even reach there with a car, so you park somewhere, but not that very far. Like, Charlie, is it 3 minutes walk? And a 2 minutes. Yeah. See, this is another road going over here. This house is complete. Someone is already staying there. Ah, on foot road, Charlie.
We are going here.
See another.
They are chasing him.
They are chasing him. The police people that we found at
Chasing him.
they'll catch him. So you see, guys, you see that view there, that view over there. It's beautiful. And this is another house here. It's already complete. Someone must be staying there. That's the thing I told you. But let's continue with the errands. I just wanted to show you how the road looks like. But we are done